Dear students, today we are going to learn kinetics of photochemical reaction. The reaction of chemical kinetics take place in presence of light radiation. The absorption of light radiation or absorption of photon bring about the photochemical reaction. The typical example of photochemical reaction is kinetics of formation of HCl using hydrogen and chlorine gas. We see here the important tips for the derivations and then we derive the equation. See here. Dear students, kinetics of photochemical reaction. Photochemical kinetic of formation of HCl. To derive the equation, the important tips are here. The important tips for derivation of formation of HCl. First, you have to write the rate law of formation of HCl and label as equation 1. Then you have to write applying steady state approximation to concentration of Cl and concentration of hydrogen and label equation 2 and equation 3 respectively. Then add equation 2 and equation 3 and you have to determine concentration of Cl equation, label as equation 4. Then put this equation 4, the value is concentration of Cl in equation 3 and evaluate the concentration of H. Now determining the values of concentration of Cl and concentration of H, substitute these values of concentration of Cl and concentration of H in equation 1. We get final derivation of kinetics of formation of HCl. Dear students, derive kinetics of photochemical formation of HCl. The overall photochemical reaction is H2 gas plus chlorine gas in presence of light photons to form 2HCl gas. For the derivation of this equation, there are suggested mechanisms. Here, the mechanisms are chlorine gas react with photon to form 2 atoms here, and here the reactive species is generated. This is the K1 is the rate constant. This reactive species again react with the presence of the H2 gas to form here HCl and a reactive species is generated. This step is the reaction initiation step. These two steps are the reaction propagation steps. Now this reaction species again react with the chlorine gas to form HCl gas plus chlorine is the generative species or reactive species. This is the typical example of the chain reactions where this reaction is carried out number of series of the steps and the quantum yield of this reaction is very high, 10 to the power the 4 to 10 to the power 6 quantum yield of these reactions. Now the fourth term here, this reactive species react at the wall and here the reaction is terminate to form the molecule. These are the suggested mechanism. From this mechanism we have derived the formation of HCl equation. Now first, according to our tips, we have write the rate law of formation of HCl. The rate law of formation of HCl is the rate law of formation of HCl is, here in this suggested mechanisms, formation of HCl take place in second mechanism and third mechanisms. Formation, here is the formation take place, rate constant K2, here take place rate constant K3. Now for the, when species is present in the product, you have to write plus symbol sign, and when it is present in here consumed, then you have to write minus. Now the rate law is, the rate is equal to formation of HCl is equal to, here is formed K2, here is plus because it is in present in the product K2, and you have to write the reactant species in bracket, one bracket Cl, another bracket concentration of H2, here is also present in the product, here is plus, rate constant is K3, then the concentration of the H in bracket, another bracket concentration of Cl2, then this equation is 1. Now second, the tip is the applying steady state approximation. Applying steady state approximation to concentration of Cl. Here is the concentration from the mechanism, here the Cl is formation, here you have to write here formation of the concentration of Cl with respect to T is equal to, rate constant is K1, it is present in here, the reactant species you have to write plus K1, and for when the chlorine gas react with these photons, here intensity is absorbed, you have to write here the only the intensity is absorbed, AB. Now here, now the Cl species here, it is consumed, you have to write minus sign, minus rate constant K2, and concentration Cl in another bracket, concentration of H2, then again here is, it is present in product, here you have to write plus sign K3, here reactant species in one concentration of H, then concentration of Cl2, this, then here also, here is consumed, here and it is present in a reactant species, you have to write minus, here is the minus K4, then concentration of Cl, this is equal to 0, and this is equation number 2, label as equation number 2. Similarly, applying steady state approximation, to concentration of H. Then you have to write from the using suggested mechanisms of formation of the hydrogen. This from the reaction mechanism here is the formation of H take place. Then here is consumptions. Here K2 in bracket concentration of Cl in and the bracket concentration of H2. And then here term is minus K concentration H and concentration of the CO2. You have write here K2 concentration of Cl, concentration of H2. Here there is species is consumed minus K3 concentration of H, another concentration of Cl2. Equation is equal to 0. Equation is 3. Label as 3. Now adding the equation 2 and 3. Add equation 2 and 3. We get the value of concentration of Cl. Concentration of H2 plus K3, concentration of Cl2, concentration of H plus K2, concentration of Cl plus concentration of H2 minus K3, concentration of Cl2, concentration of H. This is equal to 0. Now the minus K2 concentration of Cl, concentration H2 here plus K2 concentration of Cl H get cancelled. Then plus rate constant K3 concentration of Cl2 concentration of H, here minus Cl2 and H get cancelled. The remaining equation is K1 intensity absorbed minus K4 concentration of Cl. This is equal to 0. Now we have determined the value of concentration of Cl here. K1 intensity absorbed is equal to K4 concentration of Cl. Then concentration of Cl is equal to K1 intensity absorbed divided by K4. This is equation number 4, and put the value of this concentration of Cl in equation 3 to evaluate the concentration of H. Here now substitute the value of concentration of Cl from equation 4 in equation 3. We get formation of the concentration of H is equal to, first you have to write K1, K2 intensity absorbed, concentration of H2 upon K4 minus K3 concentration of Cl2, concentration of H, this is equal to 0. Now we have to determine the value of concentration of H here. Then K1, K2 intensity absorbed concentration of H2 upon K4 minus terms take here is equal to K3 concentration of Cl2 into concentration of H. We have to determine the value of H here. Then concentration of H is equal to, take these terms to here, then K1, K2 intensity absorbed into H2 now these terms take here, this K3 then K4 into concentration of Cl2. This is equation number 5. This is the concentration of H, equation 5, concentration of Cl, equation 4. Now put the value of equation 4 and equation 5, value of Cl and value of the concentration H in equation 1. We get final derivation of this equation. Putting the value of concentration of H and concentration of Cl from equation 4 and 5 in equation 1, we get the rate of formation of HCl is equal to K1, K2 intensity absorbed concentration of H2 upon K4 plus K1, K2, K3 intensity absorbed into concentration of H2, concentration of Cl2 divided by K3, K4 and concentration of Cl2. Now here K3 cancelled, then concentration of Cl2, concentration of Cl2, the rate of formation of HCl with time is equal to K1, K2 intensity absorbed concentration of H2 upon K4 plus K1, K2 intensity absorbed concentration of H2 upon K4. The rate of formation of HCl is equal to, these terms adding this, we get 2 K1, K2 intensity absorbed concentration of H2 upon K4, but 2 K1, K2 upon K4 is equal to K. Then above equation becomes as rate of formation of HCl with respect to time is equal to, for these terms is K, we have to write K intensity absorbed into concentration of H2. This is our the final equation derivation. Kinetics of photochemical formation of HCl. Here this indicates that this is the rate of formation of HCl, which is directly proportional to the absorbed intensity. This is directly proportional to absorbed intensity of radiation. Now the quantum yield of this reaction is nearly about 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 6. Quantum yield means this is the number of molecules formed divided by total number of photons absorbed. This is the derivation of rate of formation of HCl using hydrogen and chlorine gas. Okay, thank you.